Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this slotted guide in FreeCAD. As you can see that I have already did it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of this sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on a equal interval of a time once the new features came. And once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So I will close this file and create a new file and create a body, and I will on my plane by pressing the space bar. And now we will read our drawing. If you see our drawing, there is a plate of 10 mm, and this will be our base feature. So we will select XZ plane and click on the sketch, go to the model tab and of the origin. Now here is a R25 and here is a R50. So I will keep my center here, and I create a circle here and one circle at here. Now I will select the diameter and I will give it 50 because it is R25, and this one will be R100. And now center to center distance is a 95, so I will select the vertical dimension, select this and this and give the 95. And we will connect these two with a 3-point arc. So we will select 3-point arc, select this and this and this, and we will add the tangency relation, say tangent, select this and this, say tangent. Similarly here, tangent, and tangent. Now we will give the horizontal relation. Select this point and add a horizontal relation. Select this and add the horizontal relation. Now our sketch is fully constrained. We will select the trim tool and trim it. Now we will come out of the sketch, place to the isometric view, select the sketch, click on the pad, and pad dimension is of 10 mm. Click on OK. Now we will create this slot. For this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will click on project geometry and project this outer edge. Click on the slot, and this slot's width is 22. So select these 2 points and add the dimension of a 22. Center to center distance is 45, so select it and add 45 dimension. Click on close, click on cut and say through all, say OK. Now we will add this boss feature. We will select this face and click on the sketch, click on project geometry, project the outer edge, and this is of diameter 50. So select the circle and create a circle, and also create one more circle. Outer is a 50, so select it and give 50. Inner one is a 31.8. Now move the dimensions, click on close. Now click on the pad, and pad distance is of 50. Click on OK. Now we will create this cut. For this we will select the face and click on the sketch, and now we will project this outer diameter, and then we select a rectangle. We create a rectangle, and this is of a 7.1, so we will select the line and add the dimension 7.1, and again select vertical dimension 7.1 divided by 2. Now we will constrain the length. So here we will use the symmetricity constraint, and first we will make this symmetric. Select this point and this axis, and now we will give a very rough dimension, let's say 70 mm. So it is fully constrained. Now we will close it. We will click on the cut, and cut depth is of 12 mm. Click on OK, and now we will create this hole. For this we will select this face and click on the sketch. Now we will project the outer geometry so that we get a center. Select the circle, create a circle. So here PCD diameter is a 38, so we will select the diameter. Here is given R38, so we will give 38 multiplied by 2, which is 76, and we will select it and make it construction. Now we create a 2 circle, one here and one on this axis. Now we select the circle point and our PCD circle and give the coincidence constraint. and from here to this center we will give the vertical distance of 95, or instead of giving this 95 we can make it a horizontal relation, because this is also at 95, and we will give this and this equal, and this is of 5 holes of dia 10, so we will give the 10 mm. Now there is a one more hole which is at a 45 degree, so we will select a line tool, create a line and create one more line here, and I will make both as a construction and go to the angular and give the angle of 45. Now again I will select the circle and create a circle, select a diameter, or instead of a diameter I can make it equal, select this and this and give the equal. Now close it, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, say through all. Now there are the 3 holes, but here 10 holes of dia 5, so we will mirror it. For this we will go to the mirror, click on the mirror, and here we will select this our pocket 002, which is a hole, click on OK, and we'll switch to the isometric. So here we will select the plane YZ because we want to mirror about it. So you can see that hole is mirror, click on OK. So this is how we have modeled the slotted guide in FreeCAD, and this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.